how to convert Bitcoin BTC to USDT on Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can convert your Bitcoin, that is BTC, to USDT on Binance. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, launch the Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. So once you're on this home page, navigate to top left corner and tap on the Binance icon. You will land on this kind of interface. Scroll down and head towards recommended section. There tap on more services. So tap in the search bar at the top and there you have to type in or search for convert. So here you can use the Binance convert features, which is a straightforward way to swap cryptocurrencies without the complexities. So here tap on convert. Now select the first field and here search for Bitcoins or BTC and then select it. And under the two drop down, again tap on it. Now there you have to select USDT. Once you're done, then you have to enter the amount. Enter the amount of BTC that you wish to convert. And under that, you will see the equivalent amount on USDT. Once you're done with that, in order to preview and confirm, tap on preview button to see the estimated amount of USDT you will receive. Now, once you're satisfied and if you have sufficient balance, you can always increase BTC if you don't have the sufficient balance. And if you have the sufficient balance, there you have an option to convert. So tap on convert to execute the transaction. And that's how you can convert your BTC to USDT on Binance. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.